The Vivid Money Card has become one of the most reliable travel-friendly options for people who want transparent spending, protection, and convenience wherever they go. For frequent travelers, the card stands out because it eliminates the typical pain points that come with using traditional bank cards abroad. Instead of worrying about unpredictable exchange markups or restrictions, the Vivid Money Card provides a smooth, predictable system that keeps every transaction clear. One of the key strengths of the card is its fee-free spending in foreign currencies. Travelers can pay internationally without extra charges stacked on top, allowing them to maintain control of their travel budget. This alone makes the card valuable for anyone moving between multiple countries within a single trip. The built-in currency pockets also make it easy to hold, manage, and switch between currencies instantly, ensuring spending is always optimized. Travelers also benefit from advanced security features. The card supports instant freeze and unfreeze options, giving immediate protection when moving through busy airports, train stations, or public markets. Real-time notifications allow users to track every transaction the moment it happens. This level of control ensures peace of mind throughout the entire travel journey. Cashback rewards add another layer of value. The Vivid Money Card offers opportunities to earn rewards on everyday spending, both at home and abroad, giving travelers long-term benefits that continue beyond the trip. Combined with a sleek metal design, the card brings both durability and style. Overall, the Vivid Money Card delivers practical advantages that fit perfectly into a traveler's lifestyle. With dependable security, flexible currency management, real-time control, and consistent savings features, it stands as the strongest choice for anyone who travels often and needs a card designed to match an active, global routine.